Hi my beautiful, today is the second video of chest workout. At this time I'm gonna explain you how to work out if you have implant. Whenever you do your chest workout, if you have implants, you can do it proper. There are three muscles: incline, middle and decline. You can work out with all of them and plus extra around your chest. I'm gonna show you 5 exercises which will fit you in any day of your chest workout and never change it. You ready? Let's go. Last time I finished by lazy push-ups. Today I'm gonna start with it. The second exercise will be simple bench press. Bench press. Did you see my funny video? Still not? I'm gonna add link under the video. Watch. The second exercise, bench press, chest. Bench press. I'm using very small weight. If you think that you can go heavier, please go. 5 kg, 7 kg, 8 kg, 10 kg. Easily you can do it. And like this, 3 sets, 15 times. Third exercise gonna be decline bench press. So you need to find some bench which is pointed down. Your head gonna be a bit down of your body. If the bar will disturb you, then just change the place. So for decline, if you do it at home, you just can go on your bed, put your legs on your bed and put your arms on the floor and just do normal push-ups. For example, you're going on your bed, you're going down, you do push-ups. This is for someone who already doing workout for long. Look, only guys around. So normally chest workout is not for girls. But girls, if you have implants, you can work out. But this is not necessary, okay? So most important around it, especially if you begin, it's better to do in machine, in a gym, simple chest press, bench press machine. But now we are trying to find the basic exercise which you can do everywhere, in any gym, in any home. Make sure that your dumbbells point up, not back, not front, straight up. Bend 90 degrees, same in bench press, decline bench press, yeah? So point at 90 degrees, elbows down, not side, not back, nowhere, down, and pulling it up. So like this, 3 sets, 15 times. If you're prepping yourself for the competition or you really like big shoulders, if you add chest workout, it will help you to make size of your shoulders as well. So we did 3 exercises which will be suitable only if you have implants. Other 2 exercises you can add from other my video, or I'm gonna show you right now. It should be the circles which gonna lift your chest up, and the last exercise gonna be very soon. So watch the video till end. In In my first video, I showed this exercise standing position. Now I'm going to show you the same exercise in lying position. You close in your wrists. Make sure that it's not open. It's in closed position. Closed position. Closing two dumbbells front of you and make a circle. Closing up on you. When you lie, your back is fixed. So all pressure going into chest and shoulder muscles. When you work out with chest, shoulder, back workout, any upper body workout, you catch biceps and triceps anyway. So whenever you do upper body workout, it's not important to have biceps, triceps workout. Only extra if you want, because biceps and triceps already working. And the last exercise, number 5, it's pull lower, bench pull lower. I will show you. I'm gonna show you in 2 different positions and the smallest weight. Normally, don't take big weight because it's really like small tiny muscles which can be raped very easy. So please make sure that your weight will be like 2 till 5, maximum 6 kg, and make this exercise very slow. So when you do that, make 3 sets, maximum 10 times on repeat. I'm gonna show you 2 different positions. Choose one which you like. I prefer second one, so wait for the second one. Lying down, dumbbell, only one side. Pulling your dumbbell front. Slowly, dumbbell goes up, back, elbows pointing front, not side, front. Maximum down, but not overdo it, yeah? Cannot grab anything. Exhale up. Inhale down. Exhale up, down, up. Like this, super slow. And the second type of same exercise, in same moment when you pull in your dumbbell down, back, you pushing your hips down as well. So you have maximum stretch of your chest everywhere. All small fat tissues, muscle tissues will work. And same time you work out with all chest together. Also small back and little bit of arms. So you ready? I'm gonna go on my back, pulling my hips maximum down. Taking dumbbell starting from up position. Going back, inhale, maximum stretch, exhale up and pulling your hips up as well. So you little catching booty and hamstrings workout. Back, inhale, stretch maximum, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And like this 10 times. Make sure you're not taking big weight for this workout. Do not injure yourself, girls. So just put your dumbbell and go up. That's it. Hey girls, we finished today our chest workout. Remember, this is proper workout for the girls who has implants. If you have original chest, remember maximum 2-3 exercise gonna help you to lift it up and just make pretty shape of your chest. Girls, put comments what is missing in this video, what you prefer to see the more, what you agree, what you disagree with me. I want to hear all your comments, and put likes if you like it. subscribe at my YouTube channel to see more videos of workout, and I'm gonna see you very, very soon.